if you notice that we are in the movies section of the main menu, the reason is that we have skipped a very important cutscene. Planet Dax!
Tonight, we take a journey inside the enigmatic mind of our galaxy's foremost evil genius, Dr. Nefarious. We'll take a tour of this secret facility on planet Dax, home to some of the galaxy's most insidious superweapons, including the dreaded Rainbow Analyzer. Dr. Nefarious, we've all enjoyed your past work, but how do you respond to critics who say your latest galactic schemes are just more of the same?
I will annihilate them!
Lawrence, tell us a bit
Is that
about
close
this
enough?
top secret superweapon being constructed on planet Dax.
Well, super is such a strong word. For that matter, weapon may be a tad overdoing it. We do, however, have a lovely view of the ocean at sunset.
Is Dr. Nefarious poised on the brink of galactic domination, or is this super weapon just the latest in a series of maniacal pipe dreams? Stay tuned for more from Supervillain Weekly.
Supervillain Weekly! If you notice, I've also changed to the old school Ratchet, which means rockets are coming out his feet! He's a god! Anyway, we got Helga's fitness training before we can go to Dax, so let's do it. Got the skill points, so we don't need...
I forgot you have to do this BS thing. Oh wait, do you have to do those things? Yes. No, oh, you do. These things are so freaking lame.
I love these things, they're so cool. I hate them in the Insomniac Museum because they're like impossible! There's like 10 of them and they're all hard. Not just they're That's what they are, they're
Do you have any peanuts?
Hey, you are looking for your peanuts. This reminds me of a tap dripping. Don't know why. Maybe because it sounds like that. Maybe. Let's go. It's so random. I baked you a pie. Oh no, I got hit. Pie flavor. So random. Awesome, but random. It's random. You're using the hacker. Die. Die, potato.
Not today.
I like trains.
I like trains.
Mm.
You're the most randomest motherfucker in the world.
Do you know what's gay? Yep. I'm allergic to adorableness. Oh. So brilliant. I like the hacker, but it's annoying at times, especially later on, because it's pain, agony, pain, even more pain and agony. Yar, especially the Insomniac Museum. And I have promised that with the Insomniac Museum I will go and do it. I will fail as many times as it takes to actually do it. And I know I'm going to be there for like 30 minutes per one, because they're just like, oh fuck. You make one mistake and it's over. It's over! Wow. Okay, I guess. It was okay, I guess. That was close.
Oh, the last one.
Yay! I mean, oh.
I can't do it right now because my throat's clogged up because I'm sick. We are chewing grudge.
Let's get some points. This game isn't gay, it's awesome.
No, not this game.
Oh.
Chewing grudge.
Grunch? What?
Grunts?
What's a grunch? What?
Grunts.
Uh-huh.
Grunts.
Oh, I see.
Man, I need to get that Silent Hill Shattered Memories, even though it does play different and it's kind of lame compared to the other ones. It's still an okay game.
Yay, it's over! No, they.
I will admit that the controls are crappy. And Planet Dex.
Then don't play it there.
Psycho, shut up. You're not at Planet Dex yet. God.
We will be, don't worry.
We will be. We can make as much Planet Dex marks as we want.
Yeah, let's do it. We're nearly there.
That's pathetic.
That wasn't pathetic. Now give me my goodies, because I want to go to Planet X. Oh, okay. I was just going to say, because the VR simulation music was just playing. Which was weird, and I'm in the ship. That doesn't make any sense. Planet X, let's go!
Planet Dex.
Woo! Planet X! Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it, love it.
Chocolate rain.
Chocolate rain. God, I hate that song.
I know, so do I.
So bad. Okay,
It's over.
I'm going to buy some things. Number one that I'm going to buy will be this thing. It will be the Mega Ultra Massive Weapon of Doom. And the reason I'm actually I'm just going to buy that. But I'm going to have to end the video here because I'm going to cut to showing how to do it cool, like stuff, upgrading and shit. So yeah, see ya. And it's done, yeah. And now just to come out. Oh wow, he actually died. How the hell did I do that? Lol. 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 Death. Oh man, I'm not dead. Oh wow.
My God.
That is
Are you-
amazing.
You're like, you're barely standing on this thing.
Whoa! I did it again.
What the hell? What the fuck?
Wow.
This is how not to go. Fucking epic.
Boom.